Experience dependability with Delfield reach-in refrigerators and freezers. These units are built with a sturdy stainless steel exterior, and the interior liner boasts molded shelf supports that can accommodate shelves or tray racks, all spaced 3 inches apart. Each unit includes 3 chrome wire shelves per section that are easy to adjust. Their top-mounted compressor helps keep dirt and debris out of the compressor, ensuring optimal performance. Choose between solid or glass doors, as well as full-size or half doors. The refrigerators maintain temperatures from 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while the freezers keep temperatures from -5 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Each unit comes equipped with a user-friendly digital thermometer with a visual high-low temperature alarm for easy monitoring. Trust Delfield for reliable performance in your kitchen.